Here's an interesting app called Text Art Poster and Quote Maker. It's pretty popular app, as you can see. Nearly to 50,000 ratings, and it's quite hard in the charts for graphics and design. And yeah. So you can just create beautiful and professional posts, flyers, and posters with text art. With just a few taps, anyone can create a eye-catching graphic design. Simply select a photo, enter a catchy caption, and choose between dozens of designer text styles. Every time you select a style, a new unique design is generated for you. So it's kind of like an additional version of Canva, but it's just for creating posters and quote makers, just very specialized on specific tasks you want to do. So here you instantly can upgrade to 7-day free trial, then it's $29.99 per year. And then you just can have some examples, and then you can just unlock. So $30 per year or monthly $6.99. So then you can just tap to create new project. Colors, so I just wanted to create with this color. I can select a different ratio, just for example for Instagram, and then I can just tap to select a style, and then I can just edit it like this. So yeah, something like that, I don't know. Then you can just edit color, adjust, like add some shadows, and then you can just set canvas. And then yeah, if you want to remove watermark, of course you're just gonna need to upgrade to Pro. There is free trial though. 7-day free trial where you can easily cancel after 6 days or whenever you want. Or you can just use one-time purchase for $70, which can be a good option. If you really like this app, I will just recommend to do that instead of being charged a lot. So that's like 10 months of being charged, and then you have this app forever with all the future updates. So yeah, that's basically how it works. Super easy to start. As you see, I didn't even need to create an account, anything. And it has a lot of these. You can upload your photos, or you can use stock photos, and then you have a lot of fonts and anything. So it's like very minimalistic version of Canva. But if you want to create quotes, or you want to create some posters for Instagram, for Snapchat, I don't know, some thumbnails maybe for YouTube, something like that, you can just easily do it in this app.